Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change your network name of this device, how to change name of this printer, how to change bounjour name. So, okay, to change the bounjour name, just open the control panel and click on the settings button to open setup. Then scroll down, find here network setup, click general settings, then scroll down. Here you will see bounjour name, click on it and click change. Click OK and just change the name of printer. For example, I want to change to just HP Color LaserJet Pro HardReset. Click done, click OK, and great, as you can see, the name of the printer was successfully changed. As you can see, it's my bounjour name now. So if I want to print any document using this printer, I just can, I will see the new name of the printer in the network. So if you have two or more similar printers with a similar name, you can change for printer 1 or printer 2 to recognize different printers. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.